Uh, Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Raj the Wanderlust. So here today I'm coming with one more video, and firstly I'm very glad and thankful to all the people who shared the link and then who supported me for the last few videos and then shorts. Thank you so much guys. So this video is going to be a very short video. It's not related to a traveling video. In this video actually, so while I was playing badminton, this string has broken. So I thought of making one video. Why can't we make a video based upon the strings? Because lots of people will have lots of questions regarding the badminton rackets. So which racket can bear, like how much tension we can keep for the racket, and then like can it bear more than respected lbs. So for example, muzzle power 29 light, they will give max 22-24 lbs tension. If I go beyond the 24 lbs, what will happen? If I go for 30 lbs, what will happen? Can I keep it to like 20 to 24 lbs? So there are different tensions are there, and then different companies are providing different strings. So strings also, there are different types, like a thick string, thin string is there, and then Unix, Leaning, BBR. So like different companies are providing different strings actually. So we are going to the shop, and then we'll ask them what are the different strings available. So what is the maximum this muzzle port 29 light can bear, and then for intermediate level, and then pro level, beginners level, what is the tension you have to keep in rackets? Why the beginners will have less tension when compared with the pro level? So I'll discuss all these points in this video, and then I'll let you know. I hope you like this video. Okay, let's begin the video. Okay, finally I have reached. This is the place where I usually every time change to rocket. Come, we'll go. Bro, actually I want to change the string to my rocket. Okay. Show me the different colors in this. This is blue,
black,
complete black.
yellow,
Okay.
orange.
How much maximum tension we can keep for this?
Rainbow. Tension 38.
38 you can. For this bat, maximum lbs how much you can? For this muzzle power 29 light. So actually he is checking that like company specified thing. Here it is under this, I think. You can remove this and you can check it if you want. $24 lbs, I think.
24
Can you show me?
lbs.
Max. So like, can we keep 25?
25. 24 okay. Yeah, damage, full damage.
So we have to keep the 24 only. Okay then, fine.
Okay.
Give me that kind of color. Light
Silver
green.
color.
It's a multicolor or
Multicolor.
it's a multicolor. This is, which color is this? Okay, I'll take
Your
this.
2 line.
Okay. This matches to this color, right? Okay then. he's just checking the tension. Just okay. That is how you have to test a rocket. Okay. Thank you. So what is the price and what is the discount you are going to give me? It's a very much important thing. You tell me what's the price and how much discount you are going to give me?
Yeah, 50.
Okay.
Yeah, 50.
So how much I have to pay? 50 rupees. 50 rupees is a discount.
450. 500. 500 Sting.
Ah.
450. Discount.
So total I have to pay 450.
450.
Okay.
And the you of 26 January then. Today's 26 January. At least give some discount. We are the peoples of India, our nation.
Tamil.
Don't take every money with you.
Hey, actually he can't understand this English like Tamil nanku theriyadu bro. Okay. Okay guys, I'll pay him. So thanks for the watching. So like I'll be keep on posting some more videos, like not only traveling videos, like whatever I feel I'll be keep on posting the videos. Please do support me with lots of subscribers, and then likes, views, comments, like so whatever the inputs if you want to give to me, always I'll accept all the inputs that you are giving, and then I'll try to increase my skills, whether it's like communication skills or like while presenting. Somewhat I'm like shy to camera, so I'll do overcome or that problem also.